Previously on the holiday.
Stop that rubbish. And then what is she still doing here? Oluchibu.
My dear, you will invite someone on Chike's behalf, but you will not pay rent. Listen to yourself.
Came to your house to complain to Ebuka, and they have the gun to fight back, Abi.
Understand me, it's not like that.
I was ashamed of you for having you as a friend.
I told. Yes. Yeah. What do you now want to do this time around?
You know that I ought to have you like and then molesting my sister.
What?
Here back, so I've decided to spend some time with them.
You are planning to spend some time with Paul? Not in this house, outside this house. This house. Shut up your mouth, my friend! Will you shut up your mouth?
Why will I shut up my mouth?
Hey, why will you shut up your mouth? So I allowed you were vomiting rubbish. You will spend some time with Paul in this house. Okay, can I ask you a question? Did Paul inform you how stuffy this house is? Did he?
No, he didn't.
Okay, he didn't. And how many people that are living in this house? Did he?
He didn't.
So you just woke up one morning, wake up from your village to come to the city to spend few days with Paul, Abi?
Excuse me, I didn't come from here.
Wherever you come from, I don't even care. So you just woke up to just come to someone's house to spend some days with him, Abi?
You're throwing a lot of pressure on me. I don't understand.
Oh, what's the secret school? You see, I'm just respecting you because you are Paul's sister. Just leave this house.
What if I refuse?
Out of this house!
I'm not leaving.
Look at this girl! I'm sorry. If you carry your village spirit to come here, I will beat you out of my body.
Come from the village.
Look at this!
I come from the village. What's wrong with you? Or am I acting like someone that came from the village?
Yes! You are acting like someone that came from the village. Shut up your mouth, okay, mom. Mama,
Don't even raise that on me.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Chacha, I blame mommy. Who I blame is that stupid refuse.
Excuse me. Who did you just call stupid and... Your brother, Paul! My brother? Yes! Your brother! He's very stupid! And you're the only stupid person here. So, you say you're my brother. You call me stupid. Yes, of course. You're very stupid. You're acting stupid. Are you even mad or what? I will kill you! I will kill you! Market woman. Leave me alone. Please. Here is not market.
Leave this place.
And where will I leave? Leave this house. Leave this house. Leave me alone. I'm not going anywhere. Leave me alone. Leave that girl. Leave me alone. What's wrong? This is my business. Get away alone. Come on, get out. I'm not going anywhere.
You're not going anywhere.
Go with my bag.
Oh, yeah.
Leave me alone.
Yes, my man. This man knows this guy boy. Yeah, I do. I only hunger with dragon. It's like, you know, I'm perceiving for no one.
Continue perceiving.
Yeah. Now your brother could have been your neighbor.
No, my neighbor's wife.
Yeah, forget those things. How it takes it to the lecture. The lecture hard. Do you even understand anything in that class today? Nah, guy, I tire.
I wonder.
I don't even understand. Shush. The man was busy talking to those three girls. After he even went to the board and started talking to himself again.
Okay. Your own is the worst. You that was sitting at the back of the class singing Owame. Guys.
Why would I sing Owame?
Why would I pretend where your own is the worst? Even yourself sleeping like a high body.
But guy, I pity you. You just there for that front. You don't learn anything.
Why?
Yeah, instead of downstream.
Anyway, guy, that's how my brother wants it. You know, that's how he wants it.
Just beg him, on.
How will I beg him? Like I said before, God knows why. But anyway, forget that part, So have fun now, so.
You know, say that lecture like give assignment.
Eh?
Assuming you are there with us now, this assignment now, three of us will put that together and solve it out.
Anyway, they say two good heads are better than one useless. Although I'm not, my own is not useless. So.
You might.
But
Plus your own, or them one.
no, join together, make one, and then send it to me, okay?
That one no be problem. You know my man. But you go pay.
How much?
The prince. Normal 2 weeks transport from my house to school.
Because I asked you to just send me come on assignment too. I don't the assignment which I don't even know whether you get it correct. Because you want to see wait, so with this your action today in the class singing Owame. Wait. I don't anyway.
You're supposed to understand. No be guy man. You na guy man. You will live with your big brother. You na big man.
Make sure you send that to me, okay? Okay now.
I'm sorry. I told you I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I would have loved to come now, but I'm very busy. Like, right now, I am busy. Then, I will still be going to evening service. For the youth now, I told you. Yes. That's what I'm saying. I'll be very busy. I'll make it up with you. I'm serious. I will. I promise I will. I'm very busy now. I'll call you right back. Yes, I'll call you. I said I'll call you now. No. All these guys, I don't know. I'm tired. I'm very, very tired of them. I don't want it.
See, fine. See, yeah, beautiful. You have in fact, you are everything. Everything. So, and you know, you're not supposed to be blaming yourself on all these. The way men are calling you, you know, you have the thing that attracts me.
Wow. Prince. Prince, where is all these things coming from?
I don't understand.
Even me, I don't understand. All of a sudden, I'm beautiful. Because at least from my primary 5, I still hearing that you're lying. You're beautiful, you're not beautiful. Have you been observing me?
What?
Prince, how old are you again?
I'm 17. Going to 18.
And you just got admission, right?
Yeah, by God's grace.
You're just 17, moving to 18, and you already know what is called giving a guy a chance. Prince. Well, that's what we see now. Children of these days, you're not even up to 18, and you're already talking about love. Do you know what love is? And giving a chance to a man. Well, let me not go too hard on you. Prince. Talking to you now as a senior sister. You just got admission into the university. Your main priority now is for you to focus on your studies. You have a lot of things to do after education. You make your money. When you make all those money, darling, there is no girl that you wouldn't have. Big, small, tall, short, beautiful, charming, elegant, name it. But first and foremost, you have to achieve your means of being in this school. You make your parents proud. Make yourself a reasonable human being in the community. For example, now you are still very young. Your future is very sweet and bright. And then you get yourself entangled with love. Knowing a girl that have the course, giving a girl chance. Darling, relationship is very good, but when you haven't reached that age of that relationship, it's nothing but to your own detriment. It's going to affect you very well. Darling, love is sweet, yes, but you got to reach your own stage before falling in this love. I didn't say you shouldn't like anybody very close to you, or you shouldn't make female friends. Darling, make female friends, but don't have a girlfriend. It tends to distract you from your education. Distract each and anybody who haven't reached the age of it. For example, you are still very young, like when I mean very, very young, to venture into anything called relationship or giving anybody a chance. My darling, your education is more important to your parents and to you, like right now, than any girlfriend. And come to think about it, any girl you meet in school is also in the same average with you, the same age average. Both of you are all naive. And then when this happens, you find out that you tend to make more mistakes than ever. And that is where you will not get yourself into heartbreak. Picking your heart is shattered. And then, darling, I won't be here to pick up a heart I didn't break. Friends, cheer up. It's not that I'm trying to make you moody. No. I don't want to make you moody or look as if say I'm really, really hard on you. But the only thing I want you to remember is that I am not your age mate. You venturing into relationship at your tender age, it's going to be a hard and painful experience for you.
Oh, I'm making sense to you. But I don't want to change. I don't want you to change your mood, yeah? We are still a very sweet boy. I'm coming. I have
A church to attend now.
Okay. Then go well. Like, buy something for me on your way back. This one should not reply. Anyway, I'm just trying to advise her. Before she enter money post now, start complaining why she didn't marry on time. That's her concern. She likes, she'll marry. If she like, what I know is that she's adequate, but I don't have any business with her anyway. I don't have any.
Come and sit down.
Come back, eh? What is happening? Even to you. You don't want to sit down again?
No, I forgot something inside.
Okay, you it's true. But my dear, just sit down, eh? Just feel relax, sit down.
There's something I want to tell you. Are you a student of this university?
You are.
Your parents, they know you're a student.
What kind of person are you?
No,
Yes, now. Yes.
Did they pay for your lodge? Like hostel? Did they pay for it?
Yes.
They did. Thank God though. They paid for your hostel. Interesting. And you are here.
Okay, let's take it now that your mates are on holidays and you are here. Is this your house?
Auntie, Ebuka, called me to come and stay with him. Just for the holiday.
Okay, there's no need. Just leave it to yourself. Olu Ebube. Auntie! Thank God you can hear me. Since you came here, what have you been adding to my brother Ebuka? There's no need of you saying anything, my dear, because I am here and I've seen it all. I have seen it all from beginning to the end.
Auntie, can't you see Ebuka? Go for Ebuka. As in, you see Ebuka now, he's fat, plumpy. I give him plenty food though. If you see when Ebuka is eating there, hey, you even laugh them.
Oshite one. Only Oshite. Is it not you again? The cook for Ebuka is now fat. I can see it. If it's for the cooking, why don't you go downstairs? You know you open a restaurant. Ebuka meal, deliciously made from Oluchi. So that we will know that in a shire Ebuka, so that Kini Anaba, because who know boyfriend and girlfriend. Only you think I'm joking here? Eh? You think I'm playing with you, Shebi? What are the achievements for both of you being here under the same roof?
The achievement is that we love each other. That is why I'm here.
Be looking at me when you're saying this thing. If you not do the achievement is that we love each other. Nanaka. Take hand, take 5. You love each other.
Your parents, are they aware that you love a guy and you are living in the same room with this guy? No. Oluchukwu. Your parents, are they aware? Okay, let's just say that you guys are on holidays. True or false? Your parents, they cannot even share in this your holiday experience. I foresee why hit ratchets did you do a two of you sharing one room, one small bed. That is why Ebuka have turned to Amazim. I told Ebuka that I don't want to come here, but he insisted that I should come. I should come and spend the holiday with him. But he refused. How many days that you will come and spend the holiday with him? Our semester has finished now. My darling, let me tell you. It's not that what you are doing, it's not that I don't want you to disobey Ebuka. No, forget one up here. But let me ask you again. Should in case you have a child, during holidays you are expecting this your child to come back to you. You ain't that call now. All of it working. That's also all of Chebi. Yes, you are in love with him. It's good though. I don't say it's not good. But please. This your love. Your parents, are they more alive? Don't you love them too? Why don't you go home and be with them? Or did they know that you are married in school and single at home? Are they away? Eh? Una na squan do na squan go dey go na squan una organidi. Auntie, is that only me you be shouting all over?
Look at Mary, look at Jane. Mary and Paul, Jane and Michael.
My friend. Mary, Jane, and any other person, they are different. Oluchigiwa can is you that I'm seeing. And the worst of everything is my brother. Ebuka, bye. Is that your brother? Is still my boyfriend now? Is still your boyfriend? Yes. Was your boyfriend? Let us rephrase. Was your boyfriend? For now, I did not say you should leave him. Mba. Alaponia. The way la koto onye no onye kita. I don't mean you should leave him. Olu ebube. Anytime you see Ebuka, chiri say pass again also. Now, if anybody come and ask you or meet you the way when you are running, tell them that it's village people. The Bible says that what God has joined together, let no man put asunder. I don't even know. Eh? Let no man put asunder. Keba join them together. Na kitchen ebi na shit one. Kone mono. Ebegini ya na egbori. What God have joined together. Nenu gin a join ungun together. Who and who was there when they joined you together? Nenu bed. Ka join room together. Only ike. What in my Bible verse? What again in the Bible do you know? You are even talking as if you don't have any demand that is even beside you. Am I still a student? Even if you are not a student, are you not a woman? Yes, I'm a woman. I have a lot of them, but I did not do it when I was in school.
Eh?
Yes.
My friends. Auntie Shoma. Congrats. Auntie, my friends. You have friends when you are not in school. As in plenty of them when you are not in school. My own is still there. Oh no, pero I have one. I'm still in school. And you have a lot. You are out of school. Let us wage it safe. Your own is even bigger than my own.
No problem. Let me tell you now. In short, you don't even have at all. Because if it's Ebuka, my own brother, Inwe Rosia, give me a cousin, please. I just mean I've told you my mind. If you want to be sleeping around with anybody you want to, you know, not my brother. Only boyfriend.
Said that what God has done together. Let no man put that in the sun that you're even talking as if you're a saint. Nah, saint, where will you be going? I've never seen this kind of man before. Eh? It be like, this woman now. Who said the name preaching I should be baby? I think because she doesn't have in her house.
Next on the holiday.
Oh, you just wake up one morning, just decided to leave your village and come to the city to spend a day.
Alright, from the city. I take it back. Action. I'm a big man, no.
That those big man, you go there.
So
Come on. You just left your village to come to the city to spend some few days with your brother Paul, Abi, without Paul telling you how stuck this house is.
To spend few days, not some few days. Action. It's so
and I want something. At this point, keep going. At this point, after she dropped that, excuse me, I just stay at the village. Okay, action.
Yeah, so what love food though? You like food? And I'm hearing smell. Like,
no, that's not your nose.
is it your brother cooking and be your neighbor?
I'm perceiving. Daddy, this is something. Okay, on that, action.
Did Paul inform you how stuffy this house is? How many people are living in this house?
Did he?
How many people? Action. Shut up your mouth. Action. That.
Did Paul tell you?
Did Paul informed you?
Okay. Did Paul informed you how stuffy? Inform.
Inform. Alright, over. Action. Go.
Did Paul inform you how stuffy this house is?
Useless and back. Bomboy.
brother.
How you doing now?
Fine, sir.
Oh, wow. Welcome. So, how is your journey?
Funhouse.
How was
your journey?
My journey was mad.
repeat it again. Repeat your line. Action. Go. Go. You're set.
Leave this out, leave this out. Oh my God, don't even check it. Leave this out, leave this out. You're trying me, oh. Leave this out, I'm not that. Leave this out. Leave this out, I'm not crazy. Leave this out. Leave this out. And if you're going, please bring. I don't want with her to look after. Go with her too. Don't even try pushing me down.
English in Kedis,
keep shouting, the camera will go off for you. Alright, let's go. Keep shouting on the shout. I'm not such village, the camera will roll off. Alright, action.